Presiding Officer, our esteemed District Governor, Line N. Manohar Raju garu, First Lady of the District, Line Karuna garu, distinguished Chief Guest, our International Director, Gattamaneni Baburao garu, our Area Leader, GAT Area Leader, Line Deepak Bhattacharya garu, another Area Leader for Lions Club International Foundation, Line Narendra Reddy garu, our multiple council chairperson, Line Raji Reddy garu, immediate past multiple council chairperson, Line Tegal Mohan Rao garu, visiting district governors, vice district governors, the past district governors, Leos, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Friends, this is with immense pleasure and honor, I welcome you all to the District Cabinet installation ceremony of our newly chartered District 320H, Adi, the beginning. Today, as we gather here on this significant day, coinciding with the Friendship Day and the auspicious month of Shravana Masam beginning, we are reminded of the bonds of camaraderie and service that unite us as Lions. Friendship Day is a celebration of the enduring connections and support we offer one another. In the same spirit, our mission as Lions to extend that friendship and support to those in need, to make a difference in our communities, and to serve with compassion and dedication. In the words of Helen Keller, alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much. This sentiment perfectly encapsulates the essence of our organization. Our collective efforts, driven by shared vision, have the power to transform lives and bring out meaningful change. We are privileged to have our International Director, Dr. Gattamaneni Baburao garu, as a chief guest for our cabinet installation, whose leadership and dedication to serve are truly inspiring. We all welcome you, Line Dr. Baburao garu, for our Adi District Cabinet installation. We are also honored to welcome our installation officer, past International Director, GAT Area Leader, Line Rumala Sunil Kumar garu, whose guidance and commitment to the Lions cause have been exemplary. Of course, Line Sunil Kumar will be joining us within another 30 minutes from now. We also take pleasure to welcome our area leader, Line Deepak Bhattacharya. We know very well how much hard work you are putting in to reach 1.5 mission. We welcome you, sir. We also would like to welcome Line S. Narendra Reddy, LCF area leader. So yesterday also we heard his message that many members have been enrolled as Melvin Jones Fellow. This credit goes to you, Narendra Reddy garu. We sincerely welcome you. We also would like to welcome our multiple council chairperson, Line Raji Reddy garu. We are eagerly looking forward to your leadership to lead our multiple, as the multiple district was led by last year by Tegal Mohan Rao garu. We also would like to welcome our immediate past council chairperson, line Tegala Mohan Raju garu. So we are delighted, sir, to have with you, with us. Friends, as we embark on this new journey with newly chartered district, let us remember the words of Mahatma Gandhi. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Let these words inspire us to dedicate ourselves wholeheartedly to the noble cause of serving humanity. The mega service activity which was taken up by our district governor, line Manohar Raju, you all have witnessed. The bicycle distribution to the needy girl students is a testament to our commitment to making a tangible impact on the lives of those who serve. I also would like to welcome all the visiting district governors, vice district governors, and my colleague past district governors from my home district, as well as other brother districts. We welcome you all, sir. Finally, we welcome each and every line member to this Adi District Cabinet installation. So, on behalf of host committee, Lions Club Gautam Nagar, they also put their best efforts in organizing this event. My kudos to all the members of Lions Club of Gautam Nagar under the leadership line and Manohar Raju.
Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and